Hello, and welcome to our video on ChatGPT and how it affects senior citizens. ChatGPT is a large language model that has been trained by OpenAI to understand and generate human language. It is able to understand and respond to a wide range of questions and commands, making it a useful tool for many different types of tasks. One of the ways that ChatGPT can be helpful for senior citizens is by providing a more natural and intuitive way to interact with technology. Rather than having to navigate through menus and buttons, seniors can simply ask ChatGPT a question or give it a command, just as they would with a human. This can make using technology easier and more accessible for seniors who may not be as familiar with it. Another way that ChatGPT can be beneficial for seniors is by providing a companion that can help with tasks and keep them company. For example, ChatGPT can be used to provide information, answer questions, play games, and even tell jokes. This can be especially helpful for seniors who may be living alone and looking for ways to stay engaged and connected. In addition to these benefits, ChatGPT can also be used to help seniors with tasks such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and even ordering groceries. This can make it easier for seniors to stay on top of their daily tasks and responsibilities, and can help them to maintain their independence. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that has the potential to make a positive impact on the lives of senior citizens. Whether you're looking for a way to make using technology easier, or you're looking for a companion to keep you company, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it provides some insights on how ChatGPT can help senior citizens and veterans. To try ChatGPT, go www.chat.openai.com.